All right, we're in cabin 10, so let's welcome to the cabin. Tamara's taking her steroids / puffer. This is the one side of the room that no one's sleeping in. Double bed. Nobody likes it because it's a double who wants to sleep with another person. Charlie's being really annoying. This is Charlie's bed. This is Sarah's bed. Down here, my bed. Got a little nothing on it. Someone's at the door. Welcome to Okay. Tamara's bed. Carolyn's bed. And this is our little bathroom.
I'm going to the bathroom.
This is the toilet. Kind of gross.
Why is the water yellow? Charlie is afraid of spiders.
So this is, and let's
She likes corn, I guess.
Gross.
Get it, Tamara.
And this is
I don't want
a view from the outside of the cabin. We got swings. Borman just jumped off the swing. And we got some Niners on seesaws. This is the campground.
Carolyn, we need you!
Hurry up!
Hurry up!